In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Grammarly to Microsoft Word. So the first thing that you want to do here is you want to go to Grammarly.com and you want to scroll down to the very bottom until you see the section that says Get Grammarly. So under Get Grammarly, you want to look for Grammarly for MS Office. This is Microsoft Office. Just click on that, and from here, just click on Get the add-in because it's actually free. So here, wait for it to download. Once download, you could just open up Grammarly and click on Run. From here, it's gonna load up. Just click on Get Started and just choose Word, but you could also use Grammarly for Outlook and just click on Install. Once installation is complete, just click on Finish. And now you want to open up Microsoft Word. So let's just open up Microsoft Word. And from here, just create a new document and open this up. So now at the top right corner, you see the Grammarly option available to us. So just click on Open Grammarly. And here it's gonna actually prompt us to actually log in. So just click on Log In. And from here, just sign in with Google. Here, once you've completed the sign in process, you are now currently using Grammarly on your Word. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.